Hey guys, so we're here at BGCM with my sister because first time ko magko-color analysis. So may session ako today for color analysis and it's my first time, so I'm very excited. Jol, dapat talaga wala kang makeup, so I don't have any makeup on. Pero I have my lip balm. And then, optional naman, pero nag-recommend din sila if pwede naka-plain white ka na shirt or top. So that's what I did. Google Maps muna ulit ako kasi hindi talaga ako familiar with places. And nag-park ako sa may 7th Street kasi yun lang yung nearest parking. And then, yung salon is sa 28th Street. So, Google Maps, thank you so much. I found it. We're here. So yeah, early nga ako dumating and I'm waiting na mag-start yung session kasi yung pinaka-session ko is 6 PM and time is 5:44 pa lang. So I'll bring you guys with me throughout the session kasi it's actually my first time din para you guys already have an idea if ever plan nyo rin mag-color analysis. So para meron na rin kayo idea kung paano yung process, ganyan, and kung ano yung makukuha nyo if you do this. So ayun lang guys. See you guys later. My +1. Wow.
Ano lang ako?
Hello.
Tingin lang. Have you had a color analysis before?
No, it's my first time po.
So wala naman tayong dito.
Wala.
Ito ganitong color, or sa ganitong lip color, mga ganun.
Light
Meron
pink,
ba?
like full toned makeup po.
I saw that your face got parang red, but not enough, very flat. Yun. Pero it's not in harmony eh. Compared to this. Okay, so definitely we have a cool undertone.
Tama
So
naman
yes,
yung,
this is really our palette.
Okay. Ganda rin po yung mga clothes na usual na binibili ko.
Ah, talaga?
Pero I'm not kasi talagang, I'm not, what do you call this? I'm not knowledgeable kung ano yung bagay sa akin na color. Hindi ako aware. Pero kasi yun lang yung napapansin ko na bagay sa akin. So most of the time, I go for black talaga. Parang safe color. Pero kasi when I started to explore other colors, I tried yellow, and then sage green. I don't know what kind, like this ata.
Yeah.
Like this, and then yung teal blue na like kanina. Parang every time I do contents ko, kasi syempre yun yung nakikita mo din. So parang, ayun nga, I look bright, and mas parang glowing yung face ko. So, hindi rin ako sure. Also with my makeup, I always do cool tone makeup.
Mas parang feel mo mas bagay sa'yo cool tones. So, right now, we are going through color contrast. So, this is ano yan. How do you... As you can see, di ba kanina, black is an ideal color.
For the vlog.
Yes! Go lang! For the vlog. Yan. And then, okay. Eto na. So how do we actually use your shopping carts? This is the one na hindi natin palette. This is actually your opposite palette. So, for example, okay, we are shopping with this card and I'd like you to just, what if, for example, look at this. You see how it's the same? Or actually, nasa gitna nga siya nito eh. So, do you see how it's actually the same as this? So, hindi naman siya sobrang kailangan exact. As long as, parang, kind of we have a photo.
Lalagay ko na yun sa wallet ko.
Yes, okay.
For the shopping exit. I'm graduate.
Oh, graduate!
Sa yung pinaka-session, tumagal siya for 1 hour. And of course, marami akong natutunan about my colors. Kasi before, very limited lang yung alam ko with my color palette. Pero now, she gave me a booklet and also yung card para when I go shopping ng clothes, alam ko na kung ano yung bagay na color sa akin. So now, babalik na kami sa kotse and then, lipat kami ng parking kasi we're gonna have dinner as a big sister. Feeling. Kasi sinamahan niya ako. And meron kasi akong kinainan dito before and I think magugustuhan niya. So, may choice ba ako? Wala naman. And guys, I'm so happy. No, I'm so happy kasi with my color analysis, lumabas na colors ko ay cool toned colors, which I think tama naman ako kasi before doing that, I'm aware na rin na cool toned yung pinaka-color ko or yung my undertone. So, binase ko siya kasi meron ako nakita online, like, so, meron ako nakita online na i-base mo siya dun sa veins mo. So, if you have green, blue, purple, ganyan na veins. So, medyo na-stuck lang kami whether I'm cool toned or neutral. So, I'm so happy na tama naman ako with the cool tone. That's why I always do cool tone makeup. So, ayun, I'm happy naman na medyo tama yung ganong decision ko sa life. Sabi mo? Ulitin mo nga.
Hindi ka naman cool.
Hindi daw ako cool. So, may bata tayong gugutumin ngayong gabi. Uwi na tayo. Hindi tayo kakain. We're here na sa BGC stopover. Ang hirap pala ng parking dito. So, kakain kami sa Madmark. Nakakatawa guys. Kanina, yung nag-color analysis sa akin si Miss Paui. Tinanong siya. Sabi, what's your name? Tapos, nakatulala lang siya. Tapos, pagtapos, edi ako na sumagot. Sabi ko, Andy po. Tapos, sabi niya, bumulong siya. Sabi niya, nakalimutan niya ang pangalan niya. Paano nangyari yun? We're here. Focus siya sa goal. Ice cream agad. Medyo puno yung tao ngayon. Siguro kasi peak dinner time nila. Pero nung pumunta kasi ako dito, siguro mga lunchtime, walang ganong tao. So, we're gonna order first. I'm so hungry. And I don't know if narinig niyo ako kasi medyo maingay yung paligid. But, yeah. First punta ko dito, yung in-order ko is yung ribs. And yun na rin yung in-order niya. Hello, yes po. One Parmesan Alfredo solo. Yes, Parmesan Alfredo. Not available this one. Not available to. You want this na lang ulit. Shrimp and pesto cream na lang. Solo lang. And then, what's yours? Classic barbecue. One classic barbecue ribs. Yung one side, tas corn and carrots. And then, this one, barbecue chicken. Tas yung side niya, yung house salad ba yun? Yun, this one po. Ano yung ayun na. Greek salad, yes. That's it po muna. Guys, hindi ko na kaya. Busog na ako. So, I'm gonna take na lang to. Kasi yung solo serving nila, sobrang laki. Kaming pasta and itong potato wedge. Ang sarap ng food. And si Andy, so far, na-enjoy niya pa yung ribs. Yeah, she got her dessert. Ang kanyang fantasy. So, last stop namin, we're going to Jollibee kasi yung bunso naman namin kapatid. Mukhang manok. And we have our takeout. So, last stop, Jollibee, and then we're gonna go home na. Diet na ako bukas. I said that last week. So, 18 minutes pa daw yung chicken. So, we're gonna wait na lang. Kasi kapag umuwi kami, tapos wala kami dalang Jollibee, baka kami yung kainin niya. Going home na. We're so busog. And that's it. See you on my next one. Bye!